If your server slows down or crashes, monitoring is the first place you should look. CloudRaptor provides real-time server monitoring, so you can track performance, detect issues, and keep your applications running smoothly. To access monitoring, go to the server's dashboard, select your server, and open the Monitoring tab. First, you'll see CPU usage. This shows total CPU load across all cores, per core averages, and overall capacity. The graph updates automatically, helping you identify spikes, heavy load, or unusual activity over time. Next is RAM usage. You can see how much memory is being used, the total available, and usage percentage. If memory usage goes above 90%, it's highlighted, signaling a potential performance issue. CloudRaptor collects data using its built-in agent for fast and accurate real-time monitoring. If the agent is unavailable, it falls back to SSH-based monitoring. You can also see when the data was last updated. For monitoring to work properly, your server must be active, Docker should be running, and the CloudRaptor agent should be operational. With real-time graphs and historical data, you can quickly understand your server's performance and take action when needed. That's how you monitor your server performance in CloudRaptor.